Let's surrender into the stillness. Breathing the Navakar within us. International Navkar Mantra Day. Another big milestone. Let's do a transformational session. Start seated comfortably with the sacred opening of this session, acknowledging the Tirthankars within. Dwell within and acknowledge the 24 Tirthankars of this Avsar Pedi Kal. Then acknowledge the 24 upcoming ones, Utsar Pedi, and then acknowledge your own divinity. Each one of us and every soul being potentially divine. Staying steady with a namaste in Anjali Mudra. Palms pressed gently together at the chest center. Lightly touching the sternum so that you can feel the heartbeat at the thumb knuckles. Invite silence. Bowing inwards to the Siddhas and the Tirthankars. Those in Siddha, infinite, timeless bliss in Moksha, and the Tirthankars. Let's recite the Navkar mantra only once, slowly and reverently, reverently, reverently. Inhale, inflate the abdomen, inflate the lungs. Continue breathing as we chant. Siddhanam Om Namo Ayariyanam Om Namo Uvajayanam Om Namo Luisavasahunam Eso Panchanamukaro Sauva Pavapanasano Mangaladam cha Sauvesi Padamam Havai Mangalam. And then bow a little with head drooping down in Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock. With a sankalpa, may my breath be aligned with the divine purity of the Siddha state. Repeat this twice. May my breath be aligned with the divine purity of the Siddha state. May my breath be aligned with the divine purity of the Siddha state, with my own Sahaj Atma Swarup, me being my own Param Guru. Then bring the hands down for the energetic centering breath. Let's do the Sahaj Pranayam, effortlessly natural breath awareness. Watch your breath. Don't change it. Consciously take awareness of cool air going in the nostrils, warm air coming out. अपनी सांस पर सांस पे ध्यान दे. सहज प्राणायाम करना है. इसे आनापान भी कहते हैं, स्वर योग भी कहते हैं. अपनी सांस को देखे, अंदर जा रही है, बाहर आ रही है. कोई कष्ट न दे अपने आप को, एफर्टलेसली करें. नेचुरल ब्रेथ अवेयरनेस. Just being aware gets us resonant, in rhythm, as we surrender into the stillness of breathing the Naukar within. On this auspicious day, International Naukar Mantra Day. In fact, Triloka Naukar Mantra Day. In all the three loks, surrendering to the peace and the serenity within, humbly urging for the peace and serenity to every soul, every species. In all the three loks, up in the heavens, down, center. Keep watching the breath. Aligning it with the divinity of your own Siddh state. प्रतिक्षण सजग रहे. प्रतिक्षण तटस्थ रहे. Let's move into Brahmari Pranayam, the bee breath now. A gentle humming to dissolve mental restlessness, which we occasionally face. Inhale fully, inflate the abdomen and the lungs. Plug the ears closed. Make a humming sound exhaling. Inhale. Hold. Plug the ears closed. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Continue for 2 more rounds. Discontinue the practice. Check whether you are in outstanding and incredible stillness. सजग रहे, तटस्थ रहे, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी, कंधे पीछे, आंखें बंद. Every breath with full awareness. Breathing in the Naukar. Staying sacred with this sacred opening of acknowledging the Tirthankars within. And an Naukara mantra. Om Namo Srihantanam. Om Namo Siddhanam. Om Namo Hariyanam. Om Namo Vajayanam. Om Namo Loe Savasahunam. Eso Panch Namukaro. Sawa Pavapanasano. Mangalanam cha Sauvesi. Paramam Havai Mangalam. Invite silence, bowing inwards. In a Jalandhar Bandh, a chin lock to the Siddhs and the Tirthankars. May my breath be aligned with divine purity of a Siddh state. Continue effortless, natural breath awareness. A little over 2,500 years back, almost at the same time when Maharshi Patanjali ji told us in the Yoga Sutras, Atha Yoga Anushasanam, Yogascha Chitta Vritti Nirodha, Tada Drashtau Swarupe Avasthanam, Ishvara Pranidhan. At the same time, during almost the same period, was Lord Mahavir, who brought about a control on all his 5 senses and the mind. and achieved eternal peace. It was almost at the same time, 2500 plus years back. Let us also, in this durlabh, very rare Manushya Bhav, when we have been gifted with the five senses and the mind, make an attempt to bring a control on our five senses with Shanmukhi Mudra as we do Brahmari Pranayam. In Shanmukhi Mudra, we touch upon our five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing are the index, middle, ring, little, and thumb fingers. As we inhale fully, inflate the abdomen like a balloon, push our pelvic platform down on our yoga mats. We plug the ears closed and we do a humming sound exhaling, feeling the vibrations in the frontal part of the face, in fact, the whole body. We do this for 3 rounds. Sense withdrawal. Tada drashtu swarupe avasthanam. Let's come back to our own Sahaj Atma Swarup. Brahmari Pranayam with Shanmukhi Mudra. When you inhale, inhale big from the abdomen, pushing the pelvic platform down. When you exhale, do the humming sound. When you exhale, completely hold in a shunya, emptiness for a moment, and then restart. Continue. Discontinue the practice. Once the hands are down, use Gnana Mudra. The tip of the thumb and index finger touch with other fingers extended. The palms facing upwards, wrists rested on the knees. Don't do any other breath work. अपनी सांस पर सांस पे ध्यान दे फिर से.
Arihanta नमो अरिहन्ताणं 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 नमो अरिहन्ताणं
Slowly open the Jnana Mudra. To practice alternate nostril breathing to balance the solar and the lunar energies and purify our nadis. Balancing the tattvas. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Gentle and smooth rounds, focusing on inhaling and exhaling with surrendering. You can continue staying in Jnana Mudra also and do a mental, a visual Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Add Ujjayi to the inhalations and exhalations. Do a throat oceanic breath with silent mantra repetitions or hearing them. Inhale Namo Aryantanang, exhale Namo Siddhanang. Continue sequentially through the 5 Navkar mantras. Feel the mantra and the breath merging as one. Feel the Navkar mantra and breath merging as one. Mantra infused breath awareness.
नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धाणं नमो आयर्याणं नमो उवच्छायाणं सव्वसाहूणम् नमो अरिहन्ताणम् नमो सिद्धाणम् नमो आयर्याणम् नमो उवज्झायाणम् नमो लोये सव्वसाहूणम्
Discontinue Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Continue keeping eyes closed. Continue breathing in Ujjayi with silent mantra repetition. Silent. Sequentially. Feel the mantra and the breath merging as one. Both have become one. As we ignite the Siddha fire, close the left nostril, inhale from the right, close the right, exhale from the left. Inhale through the right nostril only, exhale from the left only to energize and awaken inner clarity. This builds divine heat, tapas, tap, to burn our karmic blocks. Do this in Chin Mudra if you want to do a mental one. Otherwise, with the hands. It's an inverted V-shaped one-way traffic. Surya Bhedan Pranayam. दाई नासिका से सांस ले, बाई नासिका से सांस छोड़े. Siddha Agni. Energize and awaken inner clarity. The Siddhas, once they had Keval Gnan, there was Anant Sukh, complete clarity and a complete wash over all their karmas. Build divine heat, tap, to burn karmic blocks. Each breath burning अनंत कार्मिक ब्लॉक्स. कोटि कर्म को हम बर्न कर रहे हैं, कोटि कोटि कर्म को. कोटि मतलब crores and crores of karmas. In Chin Mudra, if you wish, a mental one. Tip of the thumb and index finger touch palms, facing the ceiling, rested on the knees. And as you do this, do a karma cleansing with a gentle repetition of I'm sorry for the karmas I carry. I am Sahaj Atma Swaroop and I am my own Param Guru. कोटि कर्म खपते हैं मेरे, भूल हो गई है भगवान, मैं बहुत भूल गया। मैं आपके अनुपम तत्वों का पालन नहीं कर पाया, सोच भी नहीं पाया। आपका उत्तम शील को मैंने सेवन नहीं किया। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर माय इग्नोरेंस। Thank you for this sacred moment, this incredible day, where not only this entire planet where I am, Mother Earth, but in all the three loks, we are practicing International Naukar Mantra Day. Thank you for this sacred moment and this and this and this. I love and I bow to my Siddha within me. Practice Hriday Mudra. Bring the hand down from Surya Bhedan. Tip of the index finger touches the base of the thumb. The thumb pad touches the middle and ring fingers. Rest them on the heart. Little finger is extended, both hands over the heart. Hriday Mudra. Visualize golden light centering from the crown, the Sahasrara chakra. With each inhale, clear karmic residue. कुछ भी बचा हो तो out. Karmic residue. Residue मतलब जो भी हल्की सी, थोड़ी सी गंदगी अगर अंदर है, exhale it out. Subtly, gently engage in Kechari Mudra, where the tongue gently touches the upper inner soft palate to draw prana inwards from the Sahasrara chakra. आपकी जीभ की टिप को ऑल द वे अंदर तक ले जाएं। जीभ के बेस को, टंग के बेस को आपके अपर हार्ट पैलेट पे टच करें। You can open your eyes to see only if you are unsure, otherwise stay in this bliss. I'm showing once. Do a subtle, gentle one, Kechari Mudra, tongue gently touching upper heart palate. We are taking in the pran inwards. Deep silence and surrender during this phase. Ujjayi breath continues. Vibrational chanting continues. This breath a prayer, chanting mentally the Navkar mantra. Vibrating from the root to the crown, crown to the root, root to the crown, crown to the root. steady in a seated posture, in an outstanding mudra, Hriday Mudra, at the heart, at the Hriday itself. Kechari Mudra, two mudras combined, one of the hand, one of the tongue. A full vibrational chanting on the chakras from the root to the crown, crown to the root. Oozing with gratitude, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whatever few residue karmas are left, uska nash kar de hum. Today is the day, now is the chance. With closing some sankalps of gratitude, of love flowing, oozing, offer big gratitude to the Siddhs, the Jinns, Srimad Rajchandra, or your Guru, Kripalu Dev, or your Guru, your own divinity. This Lord Srimad Rajchandra, who saw his past 900 births, saw his previous birth with Lord Mahavir. So let us also be one with the Lord. Lord Mahavir and the Tirthankars and the breath itself, all together as one. Ending with powerful, powerful navkars for unending bliss.